Mark Twain once said, "There is no such thing as an uninteresting life." And my life is no exception. My name is Cheerilyn Shepard, and there are 3 aspects of my life which do indeed make it interesting. I will start by telling you about my past. Then I will be telling you about my present conditions and circumstances. And finally, I will be telling you about what I hope to be my future. So I will start by telling you what has happened prior to the current. I was born in Virginia. I grew up in Florida. I went to high school in North Carolina. I met my husband in California before we got married in Arizona before we moved here to Texas. I guess I've lived in 6 states, and I've traveled through 47 American states, and as well as 31 Mexican states and 10 Canadian provinces. For the past 2 decades, every summer, I have been traveling, collecting bird specimens visually to add on my life list of all the birds I've seen, because I am an avid birder. The children like it too, which brings me to the current conditions of the present day. I have 7 children, ages 13 and under. Laura is 13, Arlen is 11, Stuart is 10, Livia is 9, Madeline is 5, Carmen is 3, and Nathan, he is 2. And it's a circus. I'm also undergoing a divorce from what I must confess is a less than optimal marriage of 18 years. But the road is an interesting one, more than it is difficult. And adding to the pot, my second semester of college is the absolute apex of everything chaotic that has entered into my life thus far, which now leads me to the future. I hope to finish college, which I'm honored that this speech is a part of, and attain my bachelor's degree in nursing. Once I attain my degree in nursing, I would like to celebrate with a trip to Costa Rica. Bird watching, no doubt. In fact, I would like to travel all over the world as a traveling nurse. So winding up my introduction to you today, these 3 aspects of my life: my past, all the places I've been, they make it interesting. My present is interesting in the utter pandemonium that has become my life, and my future is interesting with all the places that there are to go. And when one looks at these 3 aspects of life, no life is singular in contributing to Mark Twain's most famous quote.